Welcome back to Auto Luxury Channel, the home of timeless machines, legendary craftsmanship, and the stories behind the world's most unforgettable classic vehicles. Today, we're taking a ride into the world of the 1971 GM Forced Air, a rare and fascinating machine that captured the spirit of innovation during one of the most creative eras in automotive history. If you love vintage vehicles, rare classics, and automotive legends, make sure to subscribe to Auto Luxury Channel and join our growing community of classic car enthusiasts. The 1971 GM Forced Air stands as a reminder of an era when car manufacturers were experimenting with bold engineering ideas and futuristic styling. During the early 1970s, the automotive industry was changing rapidly. Designers were pushing boundaries, engines were becoming more powerful, and manufacturers wanted to create vehicles that looked unlike anything seen before. General Motors was at the center of this transformation, constantly exploring concepts that blended performance, comfort, and innovation. At first glance, the 1971 GM Forced Air immediately captures attention with its dramatic proportions and vintage American styling. The body lines are smooth yet muscular, carrying the unmistakable character of early 70s automotive design. The long front end, wide stance, and aggressive details gave it a commanding road presence that still feels impressive today. Even parked, this vehicle looks powerful, almost like it's ready to roar down an endless highway. One of the most fascinating aspects of the 1971 GM Forced Air was the engineering philosophy behind it. During this era, GM engineers focused heavily on airflow, cooling efficiency, and performance balance. The forced air concept itself reflected the growing importance of advanced air intake and cooling systems in performance vehicles. This wasn't just about speed, it was about creating a machine that could deliver smooth power while maintaining reliability and comfort. Performance. Under the hood, vehicles from this generation often carried legendary V8 engines that defined American muscle culture. The deep rumble of those engines created an emotional connection between driver and machine. When you hear a classic GM engine from 1971 start up, it's more than just sound, it's pure automotive history. That thunderous exhaust note represented freedom, confidence, and the golden age of American performance. Interior. Inside the cabin, the 1971 GM Forced Air reflected the luxury and style that made classic American vehicles so beloved. Wide bench seating, chrome details, analog gauges, and rich interior materials created a driving environment that felt both comfortable and elegant. There was a sense of personality in every detail. Unlike many modern cars filled with screens and digital systems, vehicles from this era had a mechanical soul. Every button, every dial, and every gauge felt purposeful and satisfying. Driving a vehicle like the 1971 GM Forced Air was an experience unlike anything modern cars can fully replicate. The steering had weight, the engine had character, and the road felt alive beneath the wheels. These classic machines demanded attention and rewarded drivers with a genuine connection to the driving experience. It wasn't about automation or silent electric cruising. It was about feeling the engine breathe, hearing the tires grip the pavement, and enjoying every mile with raw mechanical emotion. Another reason the 1971 GM Forced Air continues to attract collectors today is its rarity. Many vintage GM projects and experimental vehicles from this era disappeared over time, making surviving examples incredibly special. Collectors appreciate not only the design and engineering but also the historical value behind these forgotten automotive legends. Owning a vehicle connected to GM's experimental creativity from the early 70s feels like owning a piece of automotive history. The timing of this vehicle's creation also adds to its importance. The early 1970s represented the final years before major fuel regulations and changing market demands transformed the automotive industry forever. Cars from 1971 still carried the bold confidence of the muscle car era, but they also hinted at the technological experimentation that would shape future generations. The GM Forced Air perfectly captured the transition between raw classic power and forward-thinking engineering. Today, classic vehicle enthusiasts around the world continue restoring and preserving rare GM models from this legendary era. Car shows, auctions, and collector events often celebrate these forgotten machines because they represent creativity without limits. Seeing a beautifully restored 1971 GM Forced Air at a classic car gathering instantly draws attention from enthusiasts young and old. It's the kind of vehicle that starts conversations and inspires admiration wherever it appears. What makes vintage GM vehicles especially timeless is their emotional appeal. Modern cars may offer advanced technology and efficiency, but classic machines like the 1971 GM Forced Air deliver personality and presence that can never be duplicated. Every scratch, every engine vibration, and every detail tells a story from a different automotive era. These vehicles remind us why people fell in love with cars in the first place. For younger generations discovering classic vehicles online, the 1971 GM Forced Air represents more than transportation. It represents craftsmanship, individuality, and the fearless creativity of vintage automotive culture. Social media and automotive YouTube communities have helped revive appreciation for rare classics like this, introducing them to millions of new fans across the world. As we look back at the 1971 GM Forced Air today, it remains a symbol of innovation, style, and classic American engineering ambition. It may not be the most famous GM vehicle ever produced, but its uniqueness and historical charm make it unforgettable for true automotive enthusiasts. Machines like this remind us that the automotive world once dreamed boldly and created vehicles designed to leave lasting impressions. Thank you for joining Auto Luxury Channel for this journey into one of GM's fascinating vintage creations. If you enjoyed this video and love classic cars, rare vintage trucks, luxury legends, and forgotten automotive history, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment sharing your thoughts about the 1971 GM Forced Air, and subscribe to Auto Luxury Channel for more timeless automotive stories. Until next time, keep your passion for classic machines alive and continue celebrating the golden age of motoring.